Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to return Amazon items in Canada. Whether you received a defective product, ordered the wrong size, or simply changed your mind, Amazon's return process makes it straightforward to send items back and get your refund. Let's walk through the entire process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed in completely before moving forward, as you'll need access to your order history to initiate any returns. After you're logged in, look up at the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the main menu bar. From there, click on Returns and Orders. This section houses all your purchase history and is where you'll manage any returns or replacements. Now, although I don't have any orders available at the moment, I'll guide you through what comes next so you know exactly what to expect. Once you're in the Returns and Orders section, you'll see a list of your recent purchases. Find the order you want to return by scrolling down through the list of your orders. If you have a long order history, you can also use the search box to quickly locate the specific item you're looking for. This saves time and helps you avoid scrolling through dozens of past purchases. When you've found the item, click the Return or Replace Items button next to that specific product. This button initiates the return process and takes you to the next screen where you can select what you're sending back. On this page, you'll see all the items included in that order. Select the item or items you want to return by checking the box or boxes beside them, then click Continue. This confirms which products you're returning and moves you forward in the process. Next, you'll be asked to choose a return reason from a drop-down list. Options might include item defective, wrong item, no longer needed, or several other choices. Pick the one that best matches your situation, then click Continue. Amazon uses this information to improve their service and sometimes to determine how quickly your refund is processed. After that, you'll be shown a few return method options. Depending on your location in Canada, you might see drop-off at Canada Post or pick-up at UPS, among others. Choose the method that's most convenient for you, then click Continue or Confirm Return Method. This step determines how you'll get the item back to Amazon, so pick a location that's easy for you to access. Now it's time to handle the return label. Click Print Return Label and follow your browser's print dialog to print it out. If you're on a mobile device, you can save the QR code or email the label to yourself for easier access. Having this label is essential because it ensures your package gets routed correctly back to Amazon's return center. Once you have your label, pack the item in a box. You can reuse the original packaging if it's still in good shape, or use any sturdy box that fits the item. Make sure to remove or cover any old shipping labels so there's no confusion during transit. Then attach or tape the new Amazon return label securely on the outside of the package. Double check that the label is visible and won't fall off during shipping. Next, take your package to the return location you selected earlier, whether that's a Canada Post outlet, a UPS access point, or another drop-off spot. Hand the package over to the staff, and they'll take care of getting it shipped back to Amazon. You might receive a receipt or tracking number, which is helpful to keep for your records in case you need to follow up. Finally, wait for your refund to appear. Amazon usually processes refunds within 3 to 5 business days after they receive the returned item. The money will be sent back to your original payment method, so keep an eye on your credit card or bank account. If the refund takes longer than expected, you can always check the status in your Returns and Orders section. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of how to return Amazon items in Canada. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.